In these next two examples, both of our equations involve fractions. We want to clear fractions first. It makes our lives easier. In order to do so, we're going to focus in on our denominators. I see that my common denominator is 9. So to clear that, I will multiply each fraction by 9. That first fraction becomes 4x. The second one becomes minus 3 equals 9x plus 15. Now that we've cleared our fractions, we can go ahead and solve. I will subtract 4x first. I do so because I like to keep my x's positive. Negative 3 equals 5x plus 15. Now subtract 15 from both sides. Negative 18 equals 5x. And then my final step is to divide by 5. Now it is okay to have fraction answers as long as they are simplified. Now here we have what's known as a rational equation because now x is in my denominator. If I look at these first, I can identify my excluded values, and those are x values that make the denominator equal 0. So we know for this, x minus 4 cannot equal 0. So therefore, x cannot equal 4. We'll keep that in mind. That is our excluded value. Keep that off to the right here. So now, let's go ahead and simplify this by clearing our fractions. I see that our common denominator is x minus 4. So I'm going to take this entire equation and multiply by the quantity x minus 4. What happens there is our first fraction, the denominator cancels. It leaves 3x. Then I have 5 times x minus 4 plus 12. I'll use the distributive property. 3x equals 5x minus 20 plus 12. Combining here, 3x equals 5x minus 8. I'm going to subtract 5x on this side to isolate x terms. Negative 2x equals negative 8. And then divide by negative 2. I have x equals 4. But remember, x equals 4 is an excluded value, so therefore there is no solution. So when you have x's in your denominator, there might be values that are not accepted in your final answer.